Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PC if it stops working after a Windows update. So these steps usually get things back to normal very quickly. So first, simply try restarting your PC in safe mode. So to do this, simply press Shift while clicking Restart. Then simply go to Troubleshoot, then Start Up Settings, and finally Restart and select Safe Mode. So once in safe mode, you can then uninstall the recent update by going to Settings, then Windows Update, then Update History, then choose Uninstall Updates. From there, you can then remove the update that's causing the problem. So another step is to simply try running System Restore. So if you have a restore point from before the update, you can simply press Windows plus R at the same time, then type in RSTRUI. From there, you then have to follow the prompts to revert your system. And finally, you can also check for driver issues. So simply press Windows plus X at the same time, then go to Device Manager and update or roll back any drivers that may have been affected by the update. So after these steps, your PC should boot and run normally again, even after a problematic Windows update. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.